Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna teach you the shortcut way of making dazi or farmer cheese. Before starting with the video, take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for that. Now let's get started. Start off by heating unpasteurized cow milk in a wok or shallow white pot or pan. At first, we're gonna keep the flame high. As soon as the milk starts to simmer, turn the flame to low. Then add some white vinegar, around 50 ml. After that, with the help of spatula, stir the milk gently around. Then again add another 50 ml of vinegar to curdle the milk completely. Now keep moving the spatula in a circular motion and at the same time try to combine all the curds together. This process will take a while, around 5 to 6 minutes. Once the curds are combined together, remove the whey and let the dazi cool down a bit. After that, squeeze off the whey from the dazi and make a ball. Ta-da! That is our shortcut made dazi. To be honest, it also tastes like shortcut if you consume straight away, but if you keep them in a room temperature for 1 to 2 days, it surely develops some flavors. So this is it guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.